Did you see that, Buffy? I think we got a bite. This week's journey takes to the seas with a boat tour. For 7,000 compass coins, you can catch a rare nurse shark, along with its special nurse outfit. Looks like we might need to help Mikey clear the waters of trash to continue our voyage. To celebrate Pride Month, free mega paints like Bubble Sunset and Ocean Waves will be available to better show off who you are. Hop on Adopt Me this Friday to experience the boat tour and let me know what you are most excited for.